This is Lily Ramsden. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a mini Bible cover. This is a beginner tutorial on how to learn how to crochet. We're going to do a slip knot, and then we're going to chain, and then we'll learn how to single crochet, and that's all we do. And we're going to make this small. So to make a slip knot, hold your hook upside down, turn it around, hold on to that yarn over, and pull through the loop. And there you have it, that's your slip knot. And then we're going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we're going to turn our crochet around, and we're going to work into that bump that's on the top now. Yarn, well, did I split my yarn? I did. So go through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. That just completed one single crochet. And then we're going to single crochet into the next back loop. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops. That completed your second single crochet. Now go through the loop again, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. That is 3 single crochets. And now we go through the last loop, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. So we'll have a keychain when we finish. Well, I split my yarn. Let's go back and do that single crochet again. Okay, I didn't tell you what I did. Okay, we're at the end of the row, and we yarn over, pull through, turn our work. That is 1 chain. And then we're going to single crochet again. Go through both loops, yarn over and pull through, go through both loops, yarn over and pull through. And we'll do that again. Here's the second one. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. Go through the loop, go through the next loop, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops. And now we're going to make our 4th single crochet. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Chain 1 and turn. And then we're going to do 4 more single crochets. Well, let me go slower because y'all don't have this yet. 2, go through the loops, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. Go through the loops, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. Then chain 1, turn. We're going to do maybe 1 or 2 more rounds, and it's just single crochet. Go through the loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops. Go through our loops, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. Okay, 1 more. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops. Chain 1 and turn. 1 more round of single crochet should be fine. Okay, that's big enough to be called a book. So let's cut us a long tail. Okay, I need my needle. Easy way to thread your needle is to pull your yarn over the top, pull really hard and stretch that out, pinch it tight, push it through, and then pull it through. And we're going to be sewing in our keychain holder. So we'll do this, wrap this around about 4 times so that it's good and tight and will not come back out. And then we sew it in. And then we're going to come all the way down to where our tail end is, and we're going to make a knot in the end of these and sew them and tie them together. So I do a double knot. You go over once, you go over twice, and pull, but not too tight. Remember, we came all the way down, so just enough to make it tight without drawing it up. And we're going to do another double. Yarn over once, yarn over twice, and pull tight. And now we can cut our yarn as close to the knot as we can without cutting it. And there we have it. We have a cute little bookmark keychain. And now we need a little bit of yellow so we can crochet or sew on a little cross. So I'm using yellow because I think it just makes a better color for a cross. And I drop it all. Okay, like I showed you before, to thread our needle, we're going to put it over the top, pull real tight, push it through, grab it, and pull. Pull it all the way through. And we have too much yarn, but I wanted to make sure I had enough. We're going to come through the center here. We're going to keep us a yarn tail so we can make us a knot. Go over one stitch. And then come back through on the other side to make a stitch. Then we're going up through the back. And then down through the bottom. And there you have it. You have a cross sewn onto your keychain to make it a Bible. And now we're going to do a double knot again and clip our yarn. 2, pull tight. Cut our yarn, and there we have it. We have a cute little Bible keychain. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed my channel, subscribe. And if you like my video, please like. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.